Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can activate dark mode on Instagram. Nowadays dark mode or night mode has become trend in many apps. So many apps have provided built-in dark modes. If you want to activate dark mode on your Instagram, then you have to see this video completely. First of all, you have to update your Instagram, as this function is only available in latest Instagram apps. As you can see in the video, go to Play Store and search for the Instagram and update it. As I have already updated it, so I don't need to update it. I have to open the Instagram account. If I click on open, then Instagram will be open. As you can see in the video, there is dark mode in my Instagram. Then if you want to apply the same dark mode in your Instagram, then you have to follow these steps. You have to click on three lines. After that you have to click on settings. After that you have to scroll down and click on themes. After that you have to click on light. If you click on light mode, then normal mode will be activated and night mode or dark mode will be turned off. Similarly, if you want to again turn on the dark mode, you have to follow the same procedure again. As you can see in the video, if you click on dark mode, the dark mode will be turned on again. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly share this video, like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.